Usually, I take pour over classes here on Sundays or whenever I have a batch. As we have a cafe, we there is a lot of foreigners who come in, so they like to learn about coffee and see how the pour over coffee is being done. I'm gonna do an online version of it. We will make it live here for you. So this is a pour over filter. So what we do with this, we fold it both ways and make it ready. This is a v60 and we'll put it on it. So now what we'll do is we'll take an electric kettle in which we need water of 85 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I've done that already. This is a specialty single origin coffee beans. I'm using 20 grams of it. Show you the beans which I'm using. So, but it's pineapple fermented medium roast. It's a South Indian bean which I'm using. So this is 20 grams of it. So now what we'll do is we'll grind it. We'll grind it at a degree of 10. Okay. So I'm gonna put the beans in the manual grinder and just increase the timer and start grinding. So now you can see our beans are freshly grind. Now we'll use them. Before that, we have to uh, wet our filter paper. Okay. So with hot water, what we'll do is so that the coffee sticks to it properly. Okay. Now what we'll do is this is a flask in which we will make the coffee. So we'll remove this, put it here. We'll put our filter paper here. Now what we'll do is put our freshly grinded coffee into the filter paper. Okay. Now switch on your weighing scale and now what we'll do is put start here. It calculates both ml and time. So that's most important because we are going to create a 250 ml of a pour over. So now first pour will be done in 30 seconds and it will be of 40 ml. So now let's start. So now let this happen for next 15 seconds so that its total comes for 30 seconds. Now after that we'll start our second pour which will take this total of 40 ml to 120 ml. So now this will happen till approx 1.5 minutes and then we will start our third pour which will take this 120 ml into 180 ml. So 60 ml more water will be added in this. Okay, so let's start our third pour. This will be of 60 ml. So after this, approx 2 minutes 15 seconds into the manual brewing, we'll do our final pour. So that will be of like 60 ml. So that makes a total of 240 ml, and it will take approx 3 minutes 15 seconds to 3 minutes 30 seconds, the whole process. Okay, so let's do the last pour. So we are done with the pouring. Now we'll let it drip for like approx 30 seconds. Just hold on, I have so it's been 3 minutes 15 seconds. Last 15 seconds of dripping, and this will be completed. So it's been 3 minutes 35 seconds, and we are done with our coffee. So we'll transfer this into a waste cup, and we'll swirl this and smell it. Looks really good. Let's just try it now. I'll just get an ice glass for this. Okay. So as you can see, I've got an iced glass because there are two variants you can do this. One is a hot version, one is a cold version. I prefer it in a cold version. So I'll just start pouring it over. So let's just try this now. Cheers. Really good, freshly brewed coffee.